Episode 193 was about a collision between a drone and a helicopter at a road racing event. One of the featured pieces of evidence was a video shot from the drone. In it, you see a helicopter on the right, a vehicle in the foreground, and the helicopter disappears from the screen and eventually hits the drone. As it turns out, upon further review, there seems to be a second shadow that enters from the left, hovers over the vehicle, exits again to the left before the collision occurs. For a variety of reasons we can go into later, I suspect that the second helicopter was the one that hit the drone, not the helicopter in the video. As you can see from the following video clip, the vehicle is traversing from left to right. The drone is tracking that video. You do see a helicopter on the right side of the video, and it eventually exits the screen. But about 10 seconds into this video, there's actually a shadow, which I believe is from the second helicopter coming from the left, goes over toward the vehicle, and then exits again to the left before the collision. It's hard to see in the raw video, but this second clip has a red arrow over the approximate position of the shadow, and I think it's a whole lot easier to see. As a result of this evidence, I think that we should take a serious look at this event again and look through the NTSB information to see if there is even a hint of a second helicopter being in the area. If there wasn't, this could be a case where the NTSB, and us for that matter, missed a very obvious clue.